Yeah. Greetings again, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First, Jah Rastafari. See, yeah, and I just see some good news in regards to the development of Vibe Cartel application for an appeal with the Privy Council. You understand what I say? I hope it's all true. See, I mean, say all of the fans them out there would like, what, or if them can do anything. You get what I say? This might end up as a laughing matter, becomes a laughing point for most of the blogger them. But here I try remind you, say, once you have a camera, you're a journalist. Once you are publicized through the media, you end up being a journalist. Yeah? Journalist code of operation is to be impartial and just right across the board. You get what I say? Because you have to address every issue impartially unless you plan to be partial. You understand? Unless you plan to be a partisan and take side with some aspects of the criminality. You get what I say? Because you have to remember, say, if you be open and true, straight down the middle, you already are going to come when them all come at you too. You understand what I say? So, laugh if you find it funny. But yeah, to the fan them and to the people them who know say something not right, yeah, and just know say cross the board. Justice is justice. You see an idea, yeah? I watch a little indication on an avenue where you can take your protest. See, in the side, yeah, so but somewhere in the screen, you're gonna see the address and the link to the Privy Council. Email them, write them, bombard them with letter every day. Point out the inequality in the justice system. You get what I say? The partiality in the justice system. Here is an idea of things that you can mention and say, all right, this is me now. See, but I'm going to put my name. Yeah, a Jamaica resident in the UK. My concern today is the blatant double standard by which the Jamaican public prosecutor practices. There are 3 prominent cases involving influential figures, public figures, that was, in my view, reek with bias. One of these cases is known mainly as the X6 killer. This businessman was accused of a very serious shooting that is still unexplained. It was alleged that he shot in a taxi, killed a passenger because of a road rage with the driver. The witness was offered no protection in a corrupt society, left to his own device as a taxi driver who later caved and said he never saw these allegations of him being bribed. To this day, the businessman hasn't honored the police request to turn over his licensed firearm for any inspection. The next case is Donald Phipps, where we're all confused as we expected him to be sentenced locally because we all knew he was unfairly tried. But when you accepted the evidence of a Jamaican done admitting to a crime to a potential witness during the process of the crime and confessing to performing a homosexual act on the victim at the time, is beyond rational, as we can both agree to the stigma and atmosphere regarding homosexuality in Jamaica. Worst so amongst the category of people which Zeke's aligned. Which leads me to the subject of Adidja Palmer, who is currently awaiting the process of your diligent observation. Though no one or nothing is perfect, as we have established earlier due to Donald Phipps, we hope for some serious due diligence in his respect, as his case is even more rough with inconsistencies and does not fit the means, motive, and access principles for a murder. In a murder trial, there can be no room for doubt, like evidence tamper. Thanks in advance. My name, such and such. See? And like me say, I'll try somehow to have the address, because I have it here, and I see the address, it name General Inquiries. Please contact us. The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council, Parliament Square, London. SW1 P3BD. Yeah? Phone number 0202 79601500. Yeah? Email inquiries. Email, yeah, the address is inquiries@supremecourt.co. email for general inquiries only. Please do not attempt to lodge papers to make other formal application via this email. You understand what I say? So for general inquiries, that's the email address. You understand what I say, people? Yeah. So on a level, you can take it. I think if people should, like, based on the idea that I've just set out in a so-called letter to them, which I have posted anyway, which I have emailed to them anyway. That's how I found out. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. This is how you can actually get to effect some level of change, some level of consideration. Because if they think nobody cares, that's when they'll do what they want. But obviously, if you show care, yeah, and concern in regards to issues that definitely affect or could affect this case, they have got to take stock, take a deeper look into what went on. You understand me? Rather than go off what the judiciary is saying, because to them the judiciary is a very well recognized and reputed body in the island. Well, if the citizens of the island show concern for their thorough practices, these people aren't gonna tarnish their reputation for the likes of Jamaica. They are gonna look deeper into the thing as well. You understand what I say? Yeah. Share, like, and subscribe. More bless.
Full of solidarity. Tell the government free up the weed policy. How our country them live it, make we manage it. Check we and the kill it with me first. Sing. Me and the crew, we're on another level. It's in you with a new sound. Me and the crew, we're on another level. It's in you with a new sound. Tell the brother we fuck up the economy. February chapter 3 Deuteronomy. Tell him say we have to secure we family. Government corruption and go down like sodomy. Me and my friend them a fuck up all me enemy. Me see the posse them a watch and them a penny me. Me just a chill and a sip a glass of Hennessy. Humble man a humble cause them want trade me energy. Love. Cause you know